Look, there's fish in any body of water. There's always fish. And that's our taxi driver right there. He's gonna take us on our tour all around this area. Alright guys, so right now I'm heading to the Elephant Cave Temple, and on the way to get the tickets, caught one of these little guys. It's a little skink. I'm not exactly sure what species this is, but they're just everywhere. And these guys, they'll eat slugs, snails, crickets, grasshoppers, any kind of insects they can catch. And this guy's just playing all limp and stuff because I caught him. So he's playing dead, thinking that I'm gonna let him go. And my friend over here actually thinks that he's dead, which is kind of funny. But no, when you catch them, first they'll run really fast, and when you actually grab them, they'll actually play dead. So defense mechanism. All right, so now let's just release this guy. Yeah, he's still alive. Go, go, go! You're free. Ow. Alright, so we're now entering the Elephant Temple. A lot of people in there. Oh man, it's really musty in here. Musky. No. Okay, so when you enter the monkey temple, there's only two sides. That and that. Huh, I thought it was gonna be a bigger cave. Alright guys, so now we are entering the Buddhist area of this temple. For all y'all who are interested in coming here, when you come to Bali, here's a little bit of a taste of what you can see. All jungle. Welcome to the jungle, baby. Right here is all touristy stuff. All sorts of wood carvings and stuff that you could buy. Continuing our trek into the jungle. The Temple of Doom.
走吧，我们上去吧，肯定上面还有好看。这边还可以了，刚刚拍了几个。阿妹。你要绑这个。
Picture perfect sight. Look at that. Man, oh man. Okay. Okay, you guys remember how I said that no matter where you are here, in any puddle, there's always some sort of fish? Well, oh, there's like some sort of cichlid in here. Oh, and tadpoles. And we are in the middle of the jungle, basically. And there's fish right in here.
$1 only. The big size, 15,000.
Alright guys, so that's basically the Elephant Cave Temple here in Ubud. And that's one of, I think, three temples. And man, this place was huge. It took maybe about an hour to walk through everything. And I don't even think an hour is enough time to absorb all the sights and everything, but just thought I'd give you guys a little glimpse into what you can expect if you were to travel to Ubud, Bali, Ubud, Indonesia. If you like the forest and the jungle-y stuff, this is the place for you. Ultra relaxing. And yeah, on to the next.